Hello, my name is Jason. This is Taylor Swift's Love Story. For this song, I like to use capo on the 2nd fret. So the song's actually in D major, but I'm thinking here in C major. At the start, you have a little muted section going like this. So slow that down. First we have a C shape, but you don't have to put that E down right in the middle. So C chord. Make sure that C stays there. And then, same thing, but you move that to this fret. So it becomes a F add 9 shape. And then you want an A minor shape, but again, you don't have to have the middle finger here. And then you come back to the F add 9 shape again. Whole thing again, slowly. Make sure all of the notes that you're playing are muted with your palm. And this section basically goes over to the verse as well. And then pre-chorus is where it changes. In the pre-chorus section, you go So we're going to start with the F chord. So they're all muted, but you're going to have an accent on the 3rd beat, which is the 3rd strum. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, the last C, you want to do a build up. So you can go, so going from muting to without muting. And then you start the chorus, which goes like this. Same thing, there's also accent on the 3rd beat, but it's not muted. And then you have a little down up at the end of each chord change. Down up at the end of here as well. And then here, G. And then you mute, yes. That's it. And then we have our key change section, which is every single chord that we just did, just one tone above, which means C becomes D, and then A minor becomes B minor. If you're not clear on that, you can ask me or any other guitar teacher to explain to you how the theory works behind this. We also have a little bridge section, which is quite simple. All you got to do is just strum chords once. So I got da 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 dee. Call me around, na, 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 na. It's just chords once. Da, 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 da. And I say da, 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 da. And then this build up section, you actually don't need the accent. All you gotta do is gradually get louder. Da, 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 da. And then you get into the new key. Alright, so that's how you play Love Story by Taylor Swift.